This is sargassum, an invasive seaweed that has a negative impact on the Gulf of Mexico beaches and Caribbean island communities. Yet, it's rich in carbon, so if we sink it to sufficient depths that the high pressure will pop the seaweed's vesicles, then we stand to produce carbon removal certificates, which can then be sold to corporations who are trying to reduce their carbon footprint. The effect will be improving reproductive environments for sea turtles, supporting indigenous communities and others whose livelihood depends on clean beaches for people to visit, and of course, a reduction in the volume of the carbon cycle.
Hello, my name is Aaron, and I'm a maker, system architect, and entrepreneur. And we are Poultry Fresh, and we are taking on reversing emissions that cause global warming, climate change, and ocean acidification.
Increasing global temperatures are a problem, but it may turn out that ocean acidification, followed by a resulting marine mass extinction event, could be the larger threat that we face if emissions are left unchecked. The oceans are Earth's lifeblood, and so if we lose the ocean that all of Earth's biodiversity depends on, we lose the whole thing. And we're not the kind of people who can sit by and just watch that happen. And so in addition to greening transportation and our grid, we're going to need a new technology for reversing emissions to turn back the clock on our atmosphere and to achieve the parts per million goals that have been laid out without inflicting any harm on society. And this is where Poultry Fresh comes in to initially sink carbon-rich invasive seaweed, but eventually outfit our vessels with large-scale cultivation equipment to expand our operation and make a serious impact. We have been testing prototypes designed to gather and sink invasive seaweed in Cologne, Panama. Equipment attached beneath the boat gathers the seaweed, and an electric motor can lower the container. And in that process, a digital scale can send over satellite how much seaweed we are sinking for the purposes of verification. We have been invited by 2 third-party companies to create an official methodology that will allow the biomass measurements our system collects to be monitored to produce certified carbon removal tons that can be sold. And we have 2 additional revenue streams that consist of vessel sales for coastal cleanups and data collection, as well as a unique subscription model on our website that allows small businesses and individuals to make climate dedication profiles and pages to show their social network why specifically the climate matters to them and why they are supporting Poultry Fresh's climate solution innovations. We've gathered an innovative team. We have a fresh idea, and with supporters like you, we can get this done.